Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can format a USB and how you can format a HDD. First of all, we're going to open File Explorer. Then we are going to go to this PC. First of all, we're going to start off with a USB. To format a USB, you need to click Format, then the capacity, File System, FAT32, exFAT or NTFS. FAT32 is recommended for thumb drive for pen drives. NTFS is mainly for hard drives, and that's what we're going to use for the hard drive. We're just going to choose FAT32 allocation size units. We're going to leave it as default, and volume name, we're going to put that as a USB drive. Then it will click this, and big warning, all the data on the drive or hard drive will be lost as soon as you format it. So only do it if all of your data is backed up or it is not containing any data. Then you wait and it's complete. For hard drives, this is mainly the same process. You click format. In this case, it will ask you for NTFS because that's what Windows uses. So that, and then a volume label, a HDD. And then it also takes a bit of time. It does take a bit longer with the size of the drives. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to support my channel. Have a nice day.